I.e., what's really going on? Bitcoin, crypto, and currency. We're looking at XLM against USDT, some of the key technical aspects of price action moving forward. We're looking for the pivotal areas of support and resistance. We're checking out what EngineeringRobo thinks of XLM moving forward. We have some rather scary and jarring sell suggestions coming into play, suggesting some bearish price action might be ahead for us. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action is going to go. Are you bullish on stellar lumens? Are you accumulating at these levels, buying the dip? Do you suspect the upside will continue? Or are you bearish on price action? Did you sell your whole bag? We're in a bear market. There's no support, and we're heading straight to zero. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action is going to go. Now, currently, we're looking at XLM coming out of a very aggressive sell-off and retracement. Sell pressure present around this kind of key level here. 40 cents is going to be very significant for us moving forward. We have lots of interaction with this level, both as support and resistance, and it does have the potential to send us plummeting all the way back down to 28 cents if it is confirmed as resistance, but if we find support along this level, it has the potential to send us all the way up to 80 cents. And so that's going to be very critical for us moving forward. At the moment, as you can see, EngineeringRobo has printed these bearish sell suggestions. We have that sell for and hell signal coming into play, allowing you to still see up to 63% in gains after EngineeringRobo becomes bullish. And so if you didn't take profit at this resistance level, you could still close your position with a profit of over 24% with EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. And at the moment, I do believe with these bearish suggestions coming into play, we are making our way toward some very nice technical support. We do have that 0.382 Fibonacci level at 32 cents acting as a zone of buy pressure. And I also have a support line down there at 28 cents acting as another zone of accumulation. However, with EngineeringRobo bearish at the moment, I suspect in the immediate short term, some more interaction downward may present itself before we continue the upside. At the moment, I would wait to buy XLM when we have further confirmed support near perhaps 28 cents, or if we start finding support above 32 cents, that could be more bullish for us, or when EngineeringRobo becomes bullish on price action. Again, I do believe that would then be the best time to start accumulating XLM. At the moment, we are looking a tad short-term bearish, and I would not be accumulating at current levels because I believe a better opportunity will present itself moving forward. And so if we refer to previous times, price action has seen these kind of bullish buy signals and suggestions. We do have price action coming from 19 cents here, this buy for and moon closing, suggesting some continued upside. And then we see price action rise up to 215% over the following 39 days after EngineeringRobo becomes bullish on XLM, allowing you to more than triple your returns on investment. You easily turn a $10,000 investment into over $30,000 with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And then we see price action become a tad bearish with these two sell suggestions after 49 days after becoming bullish. You can still allowing you to close your position with over 100% return, doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. And so I do believe in the immediate short term, I suspect this downside and this correction will perhaps last a few more days to a week before we solidify support and regain the upward momentum. So there's definitely lots going on for XLM. I do believe now would not be the best time to be accumulating. A better time will present itself. So lots going on for XLM against USDT. I want to take a look at IRIS against USDT. We're assessing the key technical aspects. We're looking at EngineeringRobo, trying to find the pivotal areas of support and resistance. And so what do we have here? In my opinion, we have EngineeringRobo still bullish on price action through that hefty retracement and pullback. We do not have any sell suggestions present. We have price action and a candle above support at the moment. I would like to see an entire daily candle open and close above this support line to further confirm it as true support for us, as we do have candles kind of breaking through and reaching toward this descending trend line, which I do believe was a very bullish retest of this break upward out of it. And so while I do believe the upside will very much continue for this coin, and my immediate target is going to be my resistance around 23 cents, I do believe at this exact point in time, further interaction toward support around 11 cents may present itself before we continue this upside. And so if we see EngineeringRobo has been very bullish on price action since 7 cents, and we've seen up to 105% in gains after EngineeringRobo becomes bullish, easily doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions, allowing you to turn $10,000 into over $20,000 just by sitting around waiting for it. And so I believe the upside will very much continue with these kind of factors coming into play. However, in the immediate short term, like I said, I suspect interaction toward support around 11 cents. I do believe that would be the most bullish area to be accumulating this coin because at the moment we can see interaction with this 200 daily moving average, which at the moment could be sell pressure and resistance, suggesting that retest toward support. We're in a phase of accumulation, a phase of sideways here, a very bullish phase of sideways that I do suspect a break upward and out of it. And as I mentioned, my immediate short-term target is going to be 23 cents, but I do believe a better opportunity to purchase this coin will present itself kind of before we continue the upside. If we refer to previous times we've seen this buy for moon and golden cross combination, we have EngineeringRobo becoming bullish on this coin around 5 cents, and then we see price action rise up to 530% over the following 92 days after EngineeringRobo becomes bullish, easily allowing you to turn a $10,000 investment into well over $60,000 with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And as we can see, the bearish suggestions come into play around 15 cents, allowing you to close your position with over 200% in profit. And so now, there's many different robo advisors that come with EngineeringRobo and EngineeringRobo Deluxe, so it is key to pick the best 3 of the many different advisors available. And so when 2 of your 3 chosen robo advisors give you a buy or sell suggestion, that is to be used to better determine your entry and exits, because EngineeringRobo is not used to time the exact top or bottom of the market. It is used to determine the best areas to start accumulating or taking profit that have the highest chance of success. And so as we can see, after EngineeringRobo becomes bearish, we do see price action kind of rally upwards slightly toward resistance around 23 cents, where you should have taken profits because as you can see, after EngineeringRobo becomes bearish, we see price action diminish up to 66% over the following 90 days with EngineeringRobo's bearish suggestions. So if you took profit there, EngineeringRobo saved you from more than 60% downside on your investment. And so I do believe with these bullish factors coming into play, we can suspect the upside to continue and make its way perhaps to and through 23 cents. However, in the immediate short term, I'm looking for further interaction with 11 cents here at my support line. Overall, still looking very bullish in my opinion. We have a breakout upward and what appears to be a retest of this breakout upward from a descending trend line. So I do believe we can get rather bullish on this coin after we confirm support at 11 cents. I want to take a look at Bitcoin against USDT. Let's see what's happening in the crypto sphere here. Price action coming off of significant sell pressure and resistance around the 0.786 fettuccine line, $51,784 per Bitcoin, expressing sell pressure. That was a key area of take profit. As we can see, price action has plummeted to and through my $48,000 support line, which is probably going to be resistance for us moving forward. And we are currently trying to find support along this 200 daily moving average. So there's definitely a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. There's definitely with these kind of pullbacks and abrupt sell-offs, this for sure will scare many new traders. Overall, in the long term, I suspect Bitcoin will continue its upside. However, we do have EngineeringRobo printing a sell for just a few days ago, which could suggest some sideways or immediate short-term downside as this correction kind of still plays out, and we see just how bullish this dip will be bought up. We still have 2 of the 3 chosen robo advisors giving bullish suggestions and continuation for the upside. So I do believe we will likely see all-time highs and then the elusive 6 figures for Bitcoin in the following months. However, in the immediate short term, it would appear that this pullback and correction will take a few days to recover from before the uptrend continues. As we can see, if we consider the top of the FOMO zone here, we have a potential high for this bull run up at $115,000 now. So I easily expect a 6-figure Bitcoin before any sort of long-term downside would be expected. And so right now, I do believe this is a very bullish dip to purchase. If we start expressing continued resistance off of $48,000, my next areas of accumulation are going to be the 0.618 Fibonacci line, $41,500 per Bitcoin, or my support line at $38,200 per Bitcoin. And so while I'm still very bullish in my opinion, I still think the upside will very much continue in the immediate short term. This is a slightly more bearish kind of time in the crypto sphere here, and I do believe some lows might present themselves to allow for better entries to further the uptrend. If we see another EngineeringRobo sell suggestion come into play, then we can perhaps suspect now some continued downside, and we can wait for a even better opportunity to buy Bitcoin. But at the moment, only one of the chosen 3 advisors is bearish, so I still have reasons to be bullish. And so I mean, even if we were to refer to kind of previous times we've seen these buy suggestions, we have price action coming from accumulation around $11,000 per Bitcoin. Exactly 10 million years ago, back in October of 2020, we have price action coming from 11K and then seeing upwards of 278% in gains over the following 90 days, easily nearly quadrupling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And then we see price action become bearish around $30,000, allowing you to close your position with 177% profit, easily doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And so I do believe now we are in a different state for the crypto sphere here. Many new traders involved and lots of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. And so pullbacks and retracements like this definitely cause a lot more of that FUD in the market and could cause some volatile sideways price action as we reclaim support. We haven't had any sort of dramatic downside in the kind of last couple months of bullish upward momentum that we've had since finding support around 30K at the end of July. All the sort of downside that we had was very short-lived and bought up very quickly. And so while I do think the buy pressure is very much present in the immediate short term, perhaps some interactions downward and some better times to buy Bitcoin will present themselves. And so there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times, in my opinion. I'm still very bullish. However, in the immediate short term, some lows might be waiting us. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Try EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media in the description. Let me know in the comment section down below what you're doing with crypto at current levels. Are you accumulating? Are you selling? Where do you think the market is heading? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Let me know where you think price action is going to go. Thank you for tuning in, and tune in for the next one.